Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. Now, I know that Quickbase is a pretty popular platform, but I've also heard some mixed reviews about it. So, I wanted to take some time to do some research and share my thoughts with you. Before we get started, I want to be clear that I am not affiliated with Quickbase in any way. I'm just an independent user who is trying to give you my honest opinion. So, let's get started. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform. This means that you can create custom applications without having to write a lot of code. This makes it a great option for businesses who want to create their own applications without having to hire a team of developers. How does Quickbase work? Quickbase uses a drag-and-drop interface to make it easy to create applications. You can simply drag and drop different components onto your application to create the functionality that you need. What are the benefits of using Quickbase? There are a number of benefits to using Quickbase, including it's easy to use, even if you don't have any experience with programming. It's flexible and can be used to create a variety of different applications. It's scalable so it can grow with your business. It's affordable, especially when compared to other low-code development platforms. What are the drawbacks of using Quickbase? There are also a few drawbacks to using Quickbase, including it can be difficult to customize the look and feel of your applications. It doesn't have as many features as some other low-code development platforms. It can be expensive if you need to add a lot of users or features. So, is Quickbase a good company? Overall, I think Quickbase is a good company. It offers a powerful and easy-to-use platform that can be used to create a variety of different applications. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider before making a decision. Here are some things to keep in mind if you're considering using Quickbase: your budget, your needs, your experience with low-code development platforms. If you have a small budget, Quickbase may not be the best option for you. There are other low-code development platforms that are more affordable. If you need a lot of features, Quickbase may not be the best option for you. There are other low-code development platforms that offer more features. If you have no experience with low-code development platforms, Quickbase may not be the best option for you. It can take some time to get used to the platform. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Quickbase is up to you. I think it's a good company with a lot to offer, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.